Hello, hi everyone. Now our plus 2 results are out. All of you are waiting for getting admissions, right? So that's student life. So I will just rewind myself and I will come back to you soon. From pre-KG, high school, no confusion. All are having same syllabus, all are happy going to school, studying, having homeworks. Then finally you'll be having your examination, then your vacations are there, then new academic year will be coming. Till 10th, the process is smooth. After 10th, your public examinations are the state level, central board. Many board examinations you will be facing for the first time. After clearing that, the real confusion, the first confusion of your life is going to start. Which group to be selected? So my question is that when several options are there, confusions are there. I am picking something else, then I will be discussing it with others. Then I am thinking, oh, this is not suiting me. The other will be easy. This is having more opportunity. This I am taking this course, more status will be there. This is professional course. The opportunities are more if I am taking this stream, I can move to different pathways. Lot of suggestions, lot of confusions are coming. Then somehow you are convinced, your parents are convinced, you are joining for either science, commerce, humanities. Now many other streams are also available. After that, for 3 months again this friction is there. Your mind is telling, I could have opted that, I could have opted this. But still, after 2-3 months, you are convinced, you are adjusted with the system and the process goes on. Your 11th is over, 12th is over, then comes again the confusion. Some person who might take science will be telling, I should not have taken science, it's very boring, I can't adjust, I need to move to some other stream. So in degree, I will be selecting something else. No engineering, no medicine, nothing. Some will be telling, oh, I will be choosing medicine, I will repeat for several times, or this time I will be getting. Some will be telling, I need JEE. No need of any other colleges, only IITs. Then some are, their options are differing. Some will be opting this kind of particular branch of engineering. Okay, some may be telling, I am going for BCom, ACCA, CA. Some will be telling, I am going to be a lawyer, LLB. All these things are there. So finally, there also confusion starts. And finally, again, somehow you are convinced, your parents are convinced you will be taking a course. There also again the same friction happening for 2-3 months. Whether I need to continue this course, I need to move to this college, I need to withdraw from this course, I need to try the other thing for one more year, continuing this course. Lot of plans are coming in your mind. So 3 to 6 months going, your first examinations are coming, you are totally moving from one mode of education to another one. Here the system is totally different, the university patterns are different. So changes are happening, confusions are coming. More options are in front of you, confusions are there. It's similar like you are going to a hotel where different dishes are in front of you. You are confused. If you are eating something, someone will be telling that dish is good. You will be again trying that, and finally you can't completely cover entire dishes. But you are having your own priorities. Others will be having their own priorities. Altogether, the main course will be same for us, same for all, isn't it? When coming to academics, this is the same thing. There is no point of satisfaction. It is like how we are adapted to system. Whether something suiting for me may not be suitable for others. So you have to realize what is really need of the hour, what is the requirement, what is your requirement, not others. So now I am coming to the point. So finally you will be completing the degree. Then also, if you are not finding any opportunities, you will be telling, you will be blaming the course, the institution, the situation, the surroundings, and finally everything is based upon my fate. What I can do? It's like marked on my head like that, nothing like that. Then again, the thing is that life keeps on moving. New things are coming, but we should update ourselves. So coming to the point, olden days the career guidance, one concept was there. Now that is gone. Now we have to analyze ourselves. Career analyzers are there. Self-realization or self-awareness about the career which you are going to take should happen within yourself or within your crowd, close-knit group. And once a decision is being taken, you have to stick on to that. One more thing I would like to point out now. All courses are having opportunities. All courses are not having all opportunities. For example, a person who had taken plus 2, after that doing a business is having several other opportunities. Person who completed the degree is having several other opportunity. Engineering another opportunity, medicine another opportunity. Opportunities are like sea. The limit is to sea and to sky. We can't measure the depth. Thing is that we have to explore. Sometimes the tides will be more, the wind will be more. We have to modulate ourselves and make ourselves in a confident and comfortable position to withstand the changes and challenges. So definitely all courses are good, and the most important thing is that once you are into the track, always focus on what you are doing. Then definitely the results will be following you. There is no need to you follow the result. The results will be following you. We have to do our duty. We will be getting the result. In an experiment, we will be having the aim, the apparatus required, procedure, tabulation, all these things. The aim is there. Under the aim only all other things are coming. Procedures may be differing. There are 2-3 procedures for particular experiment. Some program may be short, some may be long. Some hands-on experiment will be more, circuit design will be large, some circuit will be easy. You can go for the discrete components, where the other case it is more easy. You are going for the integrated circuits, the ICs are there. So all the methodologies, there are quite differences are there, but altogether the aim or the objective is same. We have to get the result. Finally, in the result also, we are not getting 100% result. There are some percentage of deviation from the exact result. In life also like that, there will be some small deviations. So with this I am concluding, your decision will decide your future. Your future, the forecasting of your present decision will make you happy. Be focused, stay calm, be comfortable and be happy. So I wish all my students, all the passed out students of the plus 2 who are going to get admissions for the higher education, the undergraduate programs, a very good academic year in front of you for more exploration, self-realization, self-exploration, more innovations, more creativity, and more or less hard work is also a part of it. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.